Hey family, welcome to the channel. Let's start eating.
Oh, you beat me. There you go. I like that. You on point today because we got a big game today.
Big game.
Me and you to the finish line.
Yes.
The first one to the finish line.
Hey family, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for joining us today. Today is the last day of our what? Wingathon.
Yes. We're winged out, but we're going to enjoy the last day today with y'all. I appreciate y'all for telling us to do this.
Yes.
Right.
So what do we have, my love, since you prepared this delicious meal?
Right now, we got air fry again. That's all we was doing. Air fry. Sweet chili wings, and then air fry, regular fried wings. No, it's not the RFC. You know that RFC different, but look, it looks like
it does look good.
I put a little. Can't even talk. I put a little tip of my RFC ingredients on it, but it's good though. And then we got homemade wedgie. You know, we got a homemade wedgie them right here. You know what I'm saying?
Honey, this looks beautiful.
And then we got what we got back here first.
We got some blue cheese dressing.
Yes.
You guys see the home run?
Oh, that ain't no home run. This is baseball. You can tell she don't watch sports.
I only watch basketball and tennis.
Home run is baseball.
Listen, ask me anything you want to know about tennis. I know.
That's right.
Honey, oh, I don't have an outfit of the day today, guys. I'm just gonna chillax, okay? I'll see you next week with the outfit of the day, though.
All right.
I'm gonna dig in.
Oh, yes, man.
Oh, you want the Chick-fil-A sauce?
I put them on your side. Oh, I have to get my thumbnail, man. You what?
Oh.
Stop it. Somebody wanted it ready. Hike. Hike, first lady.
Oh, you opened it for me too?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, family, look what I got on deck.
Ooh.
You know, the Grace ketchup. This one is nice. If you haven't tried the Grace ketchup, try this. It's nice and sweet. Grace, I'm still working for it, Grace.
And they don't sell that. They don't sell that everywhere.
They don't sell this everywhere. I'm still working for that promotion, you know? What we got over here? Let me dip in some of that. I can dip this in this?
You dip, I dip. You dip, I dip, we dip.
First, family.
This fries are good.
Put that up there first, please. That's the wedge. Sorry, don't take this piece. I already bit this piece. But you know, it looks...
Here what? Better drop my fries.
Drop my french fries.
So they can see it. You know, we do it for the presentation. And the present.
Okay.
Which one you gonna try first?
Don't do that. All right.
Eeny, meeny, miny, mo, ketchup.
All right. By the way, before we start, this one is mine because I got the most over here, right? I just want to make it clear before we start.
If not, nobody was sharing it.
Okay. It's all right.
Fiesty.
We can share it. All right.
I know we can.
Again. By the way, first lady, which one is mine again? This or this?
We are sharing it.
Okay.
I didn't stutter.
Okay, yes. The boss have spoken.
You sure you want to try first? That one? Let me try this one.
I'll try that one, yeah. Let's try the air fry regular. Let me see if it... Damn, that one look good. Let me see. Here, look at it. There we go. Not bad, right? Let me see. Still should give you a little crunch. Let me...
This is good.
Good.
Not bad.
Not bad.
Not RFC though.
Not RFC though, it's good.
That's not bad. Family, boy. No, what's the matter? You have corona.
Princess, I got a corona.
What's the matter?
Before we get down, how y'all doing? First lady.
Hi,
22!
Hi. That's what I said? Okay.
I think that's what I'm saying, yeah? Oh, you know I gotta bring my Tampa Buccaneers, you know that. I'm not a football fan like that, but I gotta bring my home team, my Florida team, you know what I'm saying? Right up the block from me. But yeah. You think you're gonna score a touchdown? You think you're gonna score a touchdown today with this food?
I know I'm gonna score a touchdown tonight.
You gonna score a touchdown tonight? Oh! Before.
Hey,
Let's get it. So. You know, look at me. Look at me now. Look at me now. Look at me now. Look at me now. Okay. Family, you know, this was a good wingathon. I ain't gonna lie. It was a lot of wings. This sauce is so sweet.
We're winged out.
We're winged out.
If we had to eat wings one more day this week,
couldn't do it.
we couldn't do it. That's so funny how you would think it's wings, but it's different.
Yeah.
It's different wings, but it's still wings.
Here, take some of the Grace ketchup because I know a lot of y'all people that eat the Grace ketchup.
It's still
chicken. Still chicken.
Mm-hmm.
Take a lick of this Grace ketchup. Don't backwash on anything, you know, because you love backwash. I'm gonna take go first, lady. I like it. I like that lick. It's the lick for me.
Okay, I'm gonna take this one. You take this one?
You already gone. You already know if you're in the married one. Watch your know why you.
Okay, I'm gonna taste this one now.
Try the one, yeah. Wow, you hear that? Ooh. You didn't even show them.
What do you mean?
This one.
No, so I keep on telling you, stop telling me to show them because they're gonna eat my
they're
stuff.
Gonna eat your stuff. Alright, I'll show them. They're not gonna
show them.
They're not gonna eat mine, so I'm gonna show them.
I gotta watch them, man.
Wow.
It's a banger. How simple was that?
That's so simple. This is very.
When I saw Richard making it, I was like, "That's it." Tell them, honey.
Explain on for her.
Of course I do. And then he turned around and said, "We chat too much."
We chat too much.
What Richard did was he seasoned the wings. So we got a whole bunch of wings, and we seasoned the wings because you know we use the same seasoning for everything as far as wings, right? So you know, you separated them. So
I ain't touch you. We had doing them season for like what, a week, right?
Yes. You want me to tell a story or what?
Go on.
We had it seasoned for like a week. Sure, I was just gonna say that.
Wow.
You too full of our shit. And then he said, why don't I just use this sauce? It's called sweet chili sauce. They have it at Walmart, Publix, any grocery store. It's called sweet chili, and it's I think red hot sauce or red something makes it.
Remember that the pepper.
If you guys know, let me know.
That's the pepper for it.
Yeah. And I said, all right, let's try. And he went ahead and he air fried it, and he warmed up the sauce so it could be loose, and then he just tossed the chicken in. This is fire.
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 I ain't capping. I doing fire, B. Real talk, son. No cap. It's fire. Simple and easy.
Let me tell you one thing. Let me tell you this out now.
I'll get mine. Cold?
Yes.
It's water?
Yes.
I'm good. It's alright. I thought you was.
Hey. Guys, let me back. The water spilled on me and it cold.
No, and I punched. You okay?
Daddy, you see my pants?
Water.
Oh, no.
All right, family, we are back. Oh my gosh, listen.
First, the pizza by itself.
About to spill money. Now, I think I know the problem. Somebody's upset that I didn't share.
See?
Let us share. Here you guys go.
There you go.
Here.
There you go. Share now with them. You have to make sure you spin it and then see, guys. That's why.
Okay, me spin it.
Yes.
Eat that side too.
Eat that side too.
Yeah. You see, I share.
Good.
That's why I spilled. They was pissed off that I said I'm not sharing. It's alright. It's alright.
This is good though.
Very good.
Another awesome meal. Wow. Look at it for just a regular mix up juice in a bottle, you know? Keeping it simple, you know? Wow. But yeah. Family, if you haven't tried the Grace sauce ketchup, go try it. If you have ketchup lovers out there, Try that Gray's ketchup.
What's so different about it though?
It's just different. It's just sweet. And then like the other ketchup is just regular tan so, you see me? That one is sweet.
How ketchup tansa?
Just tan so. That one yeah. Family? Or Jamaican family know. That one yeah. But
Yes.
I want it up top, you see me?
Yes.
So I guarantee if they try this one, they're gonna say they like it. So yes, Pastor Richie, it was good. You know what I'm saying?
I hope they can find it
Hope they
though.
can find it. They don't have it everywhere, but you can still check. You know what I'm saying? Sometimes Walmart be having it.
Sometimes, yeah.
Here. If you decide to try Walmart and tell them Greedy Couple send you. Okay? And you tell them the Greedy Couple send you. You know, more sauce. How my friend tried done so fast?
You name it.
You know, put some more Chick-fil-A. Family, I don't know how my french fries have done so fast. I ain't got no more french fries, so you put all this sauce on my side.
No, come over here.
Yes. Yeah, I know y'all enjoyed the Wingathon. Yep, I know I heard y'all. I know y'all did.
If you guys had to pick, be honest. Which one was your favorite wing that you would actually say, you know what? I'm going to try and make it.
Be honest.
Let us know. And if you guys say none of them is your favorite, come off of the page.
Exactly.
We're not going to do a lie.
Too light. Be honest now. Tell us which one you want to make. You know what I'm saying? Because all of these was bomb diggity, son. What do you think, First Lady?
Okay.
One more.
Which one was your favorite?
Wait, let me see if they could. I'm not answering it, you don't answer it. Ask me again, let me answer it.
Okay, which one was Richie's favorite? You guys answer in the comment section below.
Anybody answer it right, they get a big shout out. Right, First Lady?
Right.
Which one was my favorite wing? Let me see if y'all know me. First Lady already know. Comment down. And y'all get that shout out. Okay?
Which one was my favorite, do you think?
Your favorite?
Let me see if you know me.
Listen, alright, one thing with me, I didn't cook no curry chicken. That's your favorite chicken, okay? That's off the back, real quick. Out of all the chicken that we cook, right?
All the wings.
All the wings that we cooked this week. And so I did the barbie fry one. I'll say this one right here so far, and I say you say you like the habanero one. The habanero.
But you don't make it.
No, what I made?
Oh, just all the wings.
Yeah. I'm
Oh,
all the wings, yeah.
gosh.
So I said this one, cause this one I just made today, right?
Okay.
The barbie fry one.
My favorite one was this one.
This one, you see? Yeah, your favorite one, that one.
I'm not lying. This
Why?
is my favorite one.
Why? Can you make it?
No, you make it.
I mean, you put the sauce on it.
I put the sauce on it.
But why? Why is your favorite one though? Why that's so different? Taste, remember, you made a habanero one and you had the same sweet sauce like that. Tastes like that.
The habanero one
Family, my food done, you know?
was good, delicious, but it had a spice to it, which is good. Now, I didn't put too much sauce on it because I didn't know how it's gonna be, how spicy it's gonna be. But when I make that again, I'm gonna put more sauce on it.
You gonna put more sauce on it?
Yeah. That pineapple habanero were delicious.
Yeah, you didn't put too much sauce on it. We thought it was gonna be peppery.
And we love pepper food. You guys know this. But for me, it's not everything has to be pepper. Certain things have to be pepper. Like I can't eat goat. Anything curry, if it's not pepper, I don't want it.
Yeah, I mean, anything probably not pork. This was fun.
I cannot wait. Honey, here, backside.
Thank you. See, I knew it's coming.
Yeah.
Yes, I knew it's coming. That's what I wanted to do.
It's our reach.
Good. Yes, that's what I wanted to do a long time. It's me no long. May I try bug you? Thank you very much. Appreciate it. Beard gang in the building.
I haven't had to clean your beard in a while. You be getting better.
I'm not eating no seafood. And I got the beard gang. You know what I'm saying? This is a good way to top off the Wingathon.
Yep.
Yeah. Good way.
What do you guys like to make for Super Bowl games? Do you guys do the what do you call it, baby? It's something. Do you guys do the tailgating?
Oh, yeah, tailgate. Okay.
They may not have it this year because of COVID, right?
I don't think they're having so much people in the stands too.
But I heard on the news. I'm lying. I heard on a radio show, and they were saying that even though they're not gonna have people in the stands, people are gonna still come out to the parking lot and do their tailgating as normal.
Okay.
But just have social distancing. Some ear.
They may have it because basketball now what they're doing, they have people a little certain amount of people that come into the arena.
Oh.
But they still social distance, so they may have a little bit of people that come there, but you have to social distance too.
How do they pick who gets to come? How much is that ticket?
I don't know.
I guess it's the people who can afford it, because I know they're not charging $30 for them to come in.
You know what I'm saying? Yep. Yes, I'm back on my bone again.
I am very excited because in 1 week the Australian Open is starting. If you guys don't know what that is tennis.
She a big tennis fan.
Yes.
Yep.
Wait a minute.
You want to know tennis? Ask First Lady. And before all this, we used to go to a lot of tennis game, family. Me and First Lady used to be all in the front row. Serena Williams right there. Look, we could right here next to each other. That's how close we be at the tennis game. We saw so many famous people. She got so many autographs.
Because for some reason tennis players are how can I put this?
They're big, but you know what I'm trying to say? But
I mean, they was practicing, and we was standing right here watching them practice, and one of the tennis players would sit down and just right in front of us, and they're practicing.
Yeah.
It was Federer
Better.
that was practicing. I didn't get to see Federer.
You gotta remember the other guy who come from England with the England accent. You got an autograph. We got it right now with the ball.
Oh, Murray, Andy Murray. I like Andy Murray.
We see all of them. Yeah.
I'm full.
You full? Touchdown! I won. I won. Touchdown. You did good.
One minute left. Jinx.
Yeah, but personally, to be honest, I'm winged out for real.
I'm winged out.
Yeah.
Not gonna lie. Winged out.
Whack me down.
Oh shit.
What? Jump again?
No, it's just beer mess I'm making over here. What the fuck? No, sir. Somebody what? Listen to me. Stop.
Somebody really want your food. Wow. Oh!
Pastor Richard.
You know what it is when I jump up and go like that. Yeah. Pastor Rich in the building, aka. Ready, family? Ready, First Lady? Hi, hi, hi!
Make sure you...
Ready? Look for the best in people, but keep in mind that everyone is not like you. Some people would rather use you than appreciate you. You know what you do? Close the door. Again, family. I'm gonna say it again. I got one more week waiting for me, so I gotta get to for First Lady. First Lady is full. Look for the best in people, but keep in mind that everyone is not like you. Some people would rather use you than appreciate you. So what we do, family, we just close the door. Simple. All right, get back to my thing.
That was good.
Here, family, cheers. to the last one to everybody, you
Aw,
know?
that was nice.
Yeah. If you got this far, what did I just say? What I got? Let me test them. Okay.
Yo,
I'm waiting.
a beer test y'all give them.
Yeah, man.
What are they gonna get if they win?
We might just pop up on y'all.
Mm-hmm.
You know what? I'm not gonna say it. You know what I'm saying?
I said the man can chat. Almost almost every video you want says something. Y'all have to just why?
Yeah.
Why? They didn't ask you about that?
Yo, am I more tired?
Oh, so when I do it, we chat too much.
No.
When you do it, it's
I
your
don't
mouth
say
or
chat too
mine.
much now. I don't say chat too much. I don't say chat too much now. I don't say that.
I'm not saying nothing.
Alright, family, be sure. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and if you're new, come join the show with the Greedy Couple, and they are First Lady.
The Greedy Family. We know that there are millions of YouTubers out there, and we appreciate you taking the time to watch us. We will see you guys next time for another mukbang. No more Wingathon.
No more Wingathon. Yeah, sorry, no more. I know you like it, but no more. Bye.